Hello, lovely people. Welcome to a day that's bursting with excitement, color, and the promise of unforgettable memories. Whether you're the bride, a bridesmaid, or a guest, there's something truly magical about a summer wedding. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and a summer wedding awaits. The air is filled with the scent of fresh flowers, and everywhere you look, there's a sense of joy and anticipation. Summer weddings are all about celebration, cake, and dancing until your feet ache. It's a time for laughter, for hugs, and for making memories that will last a lifetime. The energy is infectious, and everyone is ready to let loose and have fun. Doing your own makeup can be a fun, creative way to start the day. No need to be a pro. It's a chance to express your personality, experiment with colors, and set the tone for the celebration ahead. Plus, it's a wonderful way to calm those pre-wedding jitters. The goal? A look that's bright, happy, and lasts through every photo and dance. You want to feel radiant from the first "I do" to the last song of the night, and your makeup should help you shine in every moment. We're aiming for a natural, sun-kissed glow that feels comfortable and confident. Think of that effortless beauty that looks just as good in person as it does in photos. Fresh, dewy, and full of life. This guide will walk you through each step, focusing on makeup that stands up to summer heat. We'll cover everything from prepping your skin to the final touches, so you can enjoy the festivities without worrying about touch-ups. Think light layers, clever tricks, and products built for warm weather. We'll share tips for keeping your look fresh, even if you're dancing under the sun or celebrating late into the evening. By the end, you'll have a look that's gorgeous, resilient, and ready for a day full of laughter and confetti. You'll feel confident, comfortable, and absolutely stunning, no matter what the day brings. So let's get started and make some magic together. Your perfect summer wedding look is just a few steps away. Before makeup, prep your skin for a flawless finish. Start with a gentle cleanser to refresh your face. Pat dry, don't rub, to keep skin happy. Apply a lightweight, gel-based moisturizer for hydration without greasiness. Let it absorb fully for a smooth base. Next, sunscreen, at least SPF 30, lightweight, and made for faces. This protects your skin all day, especially outdoors. Once sunscreen settles, use a mattifying or pore-minimizing primer. Primer smooths skin, controls shine, and helps makeup last. Focus on areas that get oily, like the T-zone. Each step builds a strong, comfortable base for your makeup. Prepping well means your look will stay fresh from vows to the last dance. Ready? Let's move on to foundation. With your skin prepped, it's time for a lightweight base. Choose a tinted moisturizer or light foundation for a natural, breathable finish. Apply small dots to the center of your face and blend outward with a sponge, brush, or fingers. Blend down your neck for a seamless look. Use concealer only where needed, under eyes or on blemishes, tapping gently to blend. Set your base with a light dusting of translucent powder, focusing on the T-zone. Avoid heavy layers, keep the skin glowing and fresh. This approach ensures your makeup feels comfortable and looks radiant all day. Now let's add some color to those cheeks. Now it's time to bring your face to life and add dimension with blush, bronzer, and highlighter. These three products work together to create a radiant, healthy glow that looks beautiful in any light, especially for those special summer occasions. For a fresh, dewy look, choose a cream or liquid blush in shades like peach, coral, or rosy pink. These colors mimic a natural flush and blend seamlessly into the skin, giving you that just-pinched, youthful effect. Smile gently, then dab blush onto the apples of your cheeks. Using your fingers or a soft brush, blend the color upward and outward toward your temples. This technique lifts your features and adds a playful, sun-kissed warmth. Next, reach for a matte bronzer. Sweep it along your hairline just under your cheekbones and along your jawline. This step adds subtle definition and a touch of warmth, as if you've spent a day basking in the sun. For that extra pop of radiance, tap a bit of cream highlighter onto the high points of your face. Cheekbones, brow bones, the bridge of your nose, and your cupid's bow. This catches the light beautifully and gives your skin a luminous, healthy sheen. The key is to blend each product thoroughly so everything melts into your skin, creating a seamless, sun-kissed effect that looks effortless and natural. Always start with a light layer. You can easily build up the color if you want more intensity, but it's much harder to tone it down if you go overboard. These steps will give you a healthy, glowing complexion that looks stunning in person and in photos, making your makeup perfect for any summer celebration or wedding. With your cheeks glowing and your complexion radiant, you're now ready to move on to the next step, creating a show-stopping eye look that will truly make your features pop. Let's make those eyes pop and complete your summer-ready look. On to the eyes. Eyes show all the emotion. Let's make them shine and last. Begin with an eyeshadow primer to prevent creasing and keep colors vibrant. Sweep a shimmery champagne or gold shade over your lids for instant brightness. Blend a soft brown into the crease for depth. No harsh lines. Use brown or charcoal eyeliner for a soft romantic look. Smudge gently for a diffused effect. Add a subtle flick if you're feeling bold. Curl lashes, then apply waterproof mascara to top and bottom lashes for all-day wear. Wiggle the wand at the base for volume and lift. This eye look is elegant, tear-proof, and perfect for every wedding moment. Now, let's finish with the perfect lips. Lips need to look great through every smile, toast, and photo. Whether it's a summer wedding or a casual day out, your lips are always in the spotlight. They frame your smile and add that extra touch of elegance to your overall look. Exfoliate gently with a washcloth or lip scrub, then apply balm for smoothness. This step ensures your lips are free from any dry or flaky skin, creating the perfect canvas for your lip color. Choose a lip color that makes you feel confident: nude, pink, coral, or berry. Each shade can complement different outfits and moods, so don't be afraid to experiment and find your perfect match. For staying power, outline and fill lips with a matching liner. This not only defines your lips, but also helps your lipstick last longer, keeping your look fresh throughout the day. Apply longwear lipstick, blot, and add a second layer for extra durability. This technique ensures that your lip color stays vibrant and doesn't fade easily, even through meals and drinks. Prefer a softer look? Try tinted balm or gloss for a fresh, summery shine. These options are perfect for a more natural appearance and are easy to reapply on the go. Glossy lips look beautiful in sunlight and are easy to touch up. They catch the light beautifully, adding a radiant glow to your face. Pick a formula that feels comfortable and won't dry out your lips. Hydration is key to maintaining a healthy, plump look, so choose products that nourish your lips. The best accessory is your happy smile. Let it shine. Confidence and joy are the final touches that make any look complete. With lips done, your look is nearly complete. Take a moment to admire your work and feel proud of your beautiful, polished appearance. One last step to lock it all in. Let's set your masterpiece. A setting spray or powder will ensure your look stays perfect all day long, no matter what comes your way. The final touch, setting spray to keep your makeup flawless all day. Choose a long-lasting, dewy finish spray for a radiant look. Hold the bottle 8-10 inches away, close your eyes, and mist in an X and T motion. Let it air dry, don't touch your face. This invisible shield keeps your makeup fresh from ceremony to dance floor. Take a moment to admire your glowing reflection. You're ready to celebrate, confident your look will last. Go enjoy the wedding. You look amazing.